Have you ever caught yourself yawning and wondered why? Yawning isn't just a sign of boredom or tiredness. It actually serves a fascinating purpose. Scientists believe that yawning helps to cool down our brains. When we yawn, we take in a big gulp of air, which helps lower the temperature of blood flowing to the brain. This cooling effect keeps our brains functioning efficiently and can even help us stay alert. Next time you yawn, remember, your brain is just trying to keep itself in top shape.